How to use your Nike teacher promo code on checkout. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are guiding you through the step-by-step tutorial to use that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We may head over to Nike.com for that and sign in into our account if we're not signed in. And the teacher discount only works if you are logged in as a member. So we can start by adding products to our cart. We can shop, browse through products available here. So just go over and look out for the specific product that you would like to add to your bag, such as some of these are, let's say this is one of the product. So once you head over to the product page, you can go ahead and look out for your size and your color. What color would you like and what size would you prefer? Once you've selected it, you can just go over and look out for this option called Add to Bag and add that specific product to your bag. Once it is added, you can look out for the cart option in the top right and head over with the process of checking out. And we should be finding this section. We can look out for this section called Do You Have a Promo Code? So go ahead and drop this option down. And in the section right here, you need to enter up the teacher promo code. So paste or type your teacher promo code in this box right here and click on apply. And if the code is valid, the 10% discount will appear in the order total in the section. After that, you can click on checkout. You can provide in your shipping details, your payment method added, and you can just go and click on checkout and place your orders, and your teacher discount will already be applied. And that is it. And thing is that teacher discount is usually only 10% off on most of the items. Each code is single use and codes usually expire within about 2 weeks, and some items only may not qualify if you want to apply the code. So you can just go over and check it out. But usually this is how you should be able to apply the codes. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.